Hi guys, today we are going to learn the unique alternative formula in Excel with Lookup. So mostly this is for those who don't have the unique formula in their Excel, but other also can watch, because in the method 1, method 2, method 3 I am using the different logic, and you can use those logic in the different other formulas also. So without wasting time, let's get into the topic. Here we have one data set with the brand columns, and we are going to pick the unique brand names by method 1, method 2 and method 3. And in method 1 we are using lookup formula, method 2 index, and method 3 we are going with pivot table here. So here are many brand names with repeating their names, and we are going to pick the unique values only. So first of all, we are using the counting formula for unique items. Range is the from here to here, and our lookup item is our criteria. Log this also using F4 key. Here we get the 0 for all those unique items. Here we are making true for the unique items. Y is equal to 0. Yeah, to make true into 1 we are dividing by 1 here. The main aim to divide by 1 is to get 1 for the unique items and the error for the repeating items. So it will be very effective when we use lookup formula here and choose only 1, and lookup a vector is this, and the right one will pick the result vector. There you go. Yeah, this took the puma from the last matching item here, and when we copy to the next cell it got panther, the second last. We can check here what does the 1 divided by 1 means here. So here it shows automatically, but some computers don't show automatically this, so you can press F9 key and it shows error for the already picked item. Like we have already got the puma here, and this have 2 puma, and it is showing divided by 0 error. And it shows error for the repeating items, so we can use the if error formula by selecting all. If error, aim to select all before is to apply to the all cells at once, like pressing Ctrl Enter. Now it will apply to the entire column. This is our first method, and we are moving to the another method. It's the index formula method. It also needs the counting formula first. Counting is the same way. Lock this first one and do not lock this, because we have to copy to the next cell. Now lookup item this, lock this, and here you got 0 also, and we are gonna pick the entire 0 by using index. Row number 0 will pick the entire array, and there you go. Match will pick the 0 from this array. Match type is exact match. So we are getting the 1 number unique items, and the 1 number items is unique. So again using the index formula, array is our this row, and lock this also because we have to copy to the next cell, and our row number is this formula, and that's it. Yeah, here we got the 1 number unique items. When we copy to the next cell, it will take 2 number unique items. The counting formula will show 1 for that already we have got item. Here you can check lookup array, Yeah, you can see here, and we are picking only 0 values like it is the unique values. So we get the high from the second unique items, and it will also shows error. To remove error, we are selecting all and using the if error formula again. If error, this is our entire value, and we are substitute by blank. Sorry, I forgot to press Ctrl Enter to apply entire column. Here we got, and we can decorate it as our need or want. I'm now decorating by only making the border here, and now we are going to move to the pivot method, and for it you have to go to the insert and choose pivot, and it is asking to select range here. This is our entire range or table, and we are applying in our existing place. So here you go, and we need the branch unique item, so we are picking the branch into the rows. Here you got, but we don't need the rows labels and grand total here, so we are removing row level by field headers and grand total also. We don't need grand total. Here you got. When we change in our main data, even though pivot table will not update automatically, we have to refresh every time after we make any changes. So let's get try. Like we are changing the star gold. Yeah, we have only one star gold here. Like we are making stripe. Yeah, it changes automatically, but we need to refresh to change here. Yeah, here we got, and we are making star gold that again, and we can add the other items here also. So like we have multiple of Nike, like Nike. Yeah, it adds automatically, but we are refreshing here. Yeah, there you go. So this is our 3 method to get the unique items without using the unique formula, and we can use this result in other many sectors. Let's try to sum if formula first. Sum if, and like this is our range, and we are looking to those, and this one, and it will fix the sum of those unique items here. We don't need the 0 values here, so we are not selecting those. Here you got all foumula total amount, like total sampling amount we got, and removing it. So this is my video. Please like, share and subscribe more and more, and keep loving me and keep watching. Bye bye.